Bitcoin or Ethereum, which one do I think is better? Bitcoin is gold to me, and that is the long-term store of value. So if you want to have safety and security, I think that's the one you get. You get your gold is Bitcoin, okay? I think Ethereum is a great investment, but I think it's more like silver. So if you've ever played precious metals, gold is kind of boring to some people. It's kind of safe and boring. Silver fluctuates, including to the upside, a lot more potentially. And I think that's the way Ethereum is. Ethereum is loaded with potential. I think it's going to way outperform Bitcoin, but it might drop more than gold does when there is a drop. So which one do you want to own? I think you want to own both of them. You should own some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, spread it out a little bit. And maybe if you are more risk adverse, go more towards Bitcoin, like Michael Saylor. If you are less risk adverse and you want the risk on, go more towards Ethereum, like Raoul Pal has done. So it's kind of up to you. I like both of them. So on the debate of Bitcoin versus Ethereum, I like both. And it depends on your risk tolerance as to which ones you should purchase and how much. I hope you liked that video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel so I can keep making great videos just like this.